Asuntoi Ylivieskan iso pientari. Ylivieska Finland. This one is completely original Geijer-hissi, 4 short 35 grams.
Oh, somebody's coming. But don't worry, we're gonna use it anyway.
And I guess somebody's using it from the 6th floor. And it has 8 floors, completely original Geijer-hissi, so amazing. Today is the 23rd of July 2019. On the bottom it says occupied a lot of it's the code.
You can take my trolley or...
Look how amazing this is. Built in 1980, A298. Amazing.
Uh-huh.
It sounds like, yes, it's bottom driven.
Yeah, and it seems like it's updated.
Yeah, but the cab is still original.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it was you. I thought somebody opened it.
It was me.
Oh, 666. Did you say that?
Yeah.
Oh. Love the smell.
Mm-hmm. Another ride?
Of course. I think probably upgraded by Pony around 2003 or 2002.
Yes.
Was still original cab. Let's see if it's memory.
Yeah, let's see if it has a full memory.
It's going to be inspected in 2021. I'm turning 40 years old in the next year, 2020. So gonna get the pictures.
No.
Oh. Yeah, yes.
It does. Wow.
Very comfortable.
Yeah.
I love these kinds of elevators.
So am I.
Even though it's a local generic one. But the historic one.
VF controllers.
Love that. Yeah. And then the pictures.
I just love that.
Oh yes. This is building number 4.